I understand why you always said that Land Rovers are great. Like, there's no diff locks in that, and it kisses everything. What? My camera seems a bit cloudy, and I'm worried about that. I think it was just when it's looking
just
in the
swipe
light.
it on my top. No, you missed it. You fucking
Nipple cripple.
Do it again.
No. So the reason why we're even here today and what we're doing is because we're taking the G-Wagon off-road.
Apparently it just stopped recording, but it's now recording.
Shall I get my
You look
SLR?
really ginger in this. It is a lovely colour. Yeah, if you want to. Big gold.
It's really nice, like the utilitarian feel, the seats and everything. It feels like you've got a bit of a
Yeah, border listening to Luke talk. What you can't see in this video is I've genuinely just poured the drink over myself. And we're back, Chief Queef.
We're back, and we've just rolled over 48,000 miles, which I'm a bit disappointed about. You can't.
Yeah, whatever.
We're like 6 miles from the off-road location now. So we're meeting up with somebody with a Land Rover, which is going to be cool. No
Need to get some fuel, Big Chief.
Oh, okay, let's get some fuel. You'd have thought that was the way in.
Yeah, but fuck yeah, she's big.
Should I turn it round?
Nah, no one cares.
Okay.
Jesus Christ! Is that Jimmy? Is that Jimmy?
Right, what we got? Superior, unleaded, diesel, and unleaded. Beautiful.
Why don't we just put unleaded in?
Well, apparently, good injector cleaner.
Which is so long, lad. So long.
So long. The Land Rover's arrived. Gonna make you feel awkward straight away. Those tyres are ace.
Yeah.
What have we got? What's going on there then? Wow, 35 by 12.5. How come they look so much more like off-road ready than my 35 by 12.5s? We're both rocking 35 by 12.5, but mine are like rolling on blades, whereas yours are like actual normal off-road tyres.
He's gonna have to give it a little bit.
It's like a reliable old goat. I wonder why he's going backward, like.
Because then he just got to go around. Hey Luke, just stand there.
Is he going to roll it over on my car? Can I do that?
We'll just keep going down.
Surprise! Oh, it couldn't.
Yeah. This way! This way! Fucking retard. Hello, sports fans!
Hello, German car.
Oh yeah, you can see the old emus.
Do you want me to strap you up?
Just a fraction. That'll do. What's up? Oh yeah.
Is that the right song?
Yes.
glad I did the dynamite inside. It keeps it so
Dry.
clean, quiet,
Dry.
dry while stuff's running. I'm going to have to wash all this dreadful mud off when I get home, which is awful. You ready?
I'm listening.
So you take your forklift and you hook it onto your DieselPumpUK built intercooler guard.
Yeah.
Because it gives you two hooks. You lift
Yeah.
your vehicle in the air and then you can wash it underneath.
Do we have an example?
Yeah. You might have to stand back. All clean now, Jim?
Well, I'm not.
All clean? Oh, bloody hell.
It was good.
A couple of skid marks. Oh. So, what do you think?
Some card.
Oh, I know, yeah. Look,
Perfect.
it hasn't even, like, dented it in. Not even a mark. So, gave it a steam clean out. These nice big holes make it fairly possible. A couple of little scallywags in there. But apart from that, it all cleaned up really nice. Cleaned the whole underside of the car, which took quite a while. As you can see, I did it with the forklift. And yeah, pretty good, pretty good. Overall,
It was a good day.
yeah, I think that it's a brilliant off-road machine. But we know what to do for next time, don't we?
Front diff.
It needs the front diff
Locker.
working because we just didn't have time today to do it before we went. And I think we possibly wouldn't have got stuck.
I think a bit more time, then we could have done a few more things, but...
There was two things. We were gonna locker and the other winch.
Oh yeah, needs
Yeah,
a bunch.
could have a nice winch just sort of
Maybe some bigger tyres.
where the number plate. Yeah, I think I'm gonna change the 22 spinners and put on something a bit more chunky so I can air them down because these are running at 55 psi, which is not exactly ideal for off-roading, as we know. But with the side biters and stuff, it really did seem to pull its way through the mud awesomely well. It was getting through where other Land Rovers were getting stuck, and yeah, it did. It really did. So I'm impressed. I'm happy. Overall, it's been a pretty awesome day. Go and do it, but make sure you've got a good way of washing all that mud off afterwards, because it makes a right mess. So, conclusion, Jim. Conclusion.
Good fun. Do it again.
So long.